In this video, I'll show you how to use the new Instagram Instant feature, which lets you send disappearing photos similar to Snapchat. This feature only allows you to capture and send live photos in real time. You cannot upload images from your camera roll or edit them. To start, open the Instagram app and go to your direct messages at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the Instant icon in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on How It Works to get a quick overview, and swipe through the instructions. Now you'll see the camera screen where you can take a live photo instantly. You can switch between front and back camera using the rotate icon and also enable flash if needed. Next, choose your friends by selecting who you want to send the instant photo to. If you tap the icon in the top right corner, you can view all your previously sent instant photos. Now simply take your photo and it will be sent immediately to your selected friends. You can also revisit your instant history, and if you tap on any sent instant, you can see reactions from others. From there, you also have the option to delete an instant by tapping the three dots and selecting Delete Instant. And that's how you use the Instagram Instant feature.